Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to write SQL commands in MySQL. Already it has been told in OpenOffice base. So SQL commands are same either you are writing in MySQL or Oracle. I am starting with MySQL. So I will tell from the creating database to all the SQL commands which are needed for your syllabus. You have to install WAM server, then you have to open it. When it will be green, then you have to click on php myadmin. It's an interface. Here also you can create table like you create in OpenOffice base, but I want to tell you using console where you have to write the commands. So first of all you have to create database. These are already created databases. If you want to create new, go to localhost, create new database, create. Then after that you have to enter into database and then you will create table. The same thing I am showing with the console. So you have to go mysql console. Then WAM server username is root and password is blank by default. Till the time you don't change, username is root ROOT and password is blank. So enter. Now how to create database using command. Terminator is important at the end. To enter into the database, you have to write use database name. So as you will enter in the database, table creation. Integer length, it takes 11 digit. In OpenOffice base, if you have already used 10 digits. Primary key. Then next field emp name, data type varchar. Employee salary, employee department you take, like in base you have seen that decimal, integer, various data types were there. So here also decimal data type is for taking decimal values. In OpenOffice base you have seen float, real, double. Okay, these all things are here. So I will use for salary decimal. Here 8 comma 2 means total 8 digit you can total 8 digit you can enter, including 2 decimal digits, means after point 2 digit, but total number of digits should not be exceed more than 8. So error, duplicate column name employee name, duplicate column name employee name. Oh sorry, one mistake. So what you have to do, just you can use this arrow key to bring back the queries that you have done. Here it will be employee ID. Then use this up and down arrow key to bring back the queries, last written queries. Then employee name, then employee salary, employee department first, department, and then employee salary, enter. So query okay. Now to see the structure of the table, command is describe name of the table. You can see the structure, field type. Next, to enter the record, how many columns are there, accordingly you have to fill, like employee id 1, employee name, integer value without quotation and string value with quotation, then department, then salary. How many digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I do it 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or you do it like this, it will accept it. But if I do more, 9, then 889 will be converted, round up into 2 digit. So warning, let's see that query once again. What entry has been select asterisk from to fetch the record emp. You can see one record has been entered, and in salary you see only 2 digit. Here I have taken 3 digit, but it will be rounded up to 2 digit because after decimal creation time you have given only for 2 digit. So similarly, if you have to enter the second record, so change the id, new record entered. We are entering some of the records. Record entry complete. Now we can see this, all the record has been entered. Now query one by one. If you want to see a specific field, okay, now I am telling you all the arithmetic operator. what operators are used in SQL, that has been told, but once again we see that first arithmetic operator like select. Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, division, modulus. Since multiple rows are here, that's why 999 it is coming, but if no entry are there, then only one time it will come. Okay, only single row will come. Similarly for into, modulus give the remainder. Okay, like that. Other command, now special operator like select asterisk from emp, where emp name like if it start with then character then percent came, if ends with okay Samir and Amar, if the second character you know from the beginning, so first character place underscore then m. Okay, if the last second character you know from the last, like Ramesh is percent, if it is given that character is available anywhere, so you can put percent sign before the character and after the character, so it will give. Okay, after like operator, between operator, select asterisk from emp, where cell between where employee cell between this and okay. Employee cell between this range to this range. That was not there, so in between we are not getting anything, that's why it is not coming, but it will come. So if employee salary, you can just exactly see the between, then you have to write where employee salary is greater than this and employee salary is less than, is equal to 597689. Okay, so in between what salaries are there, that will be counted. Okay, it will with this option greater than and less than, you will get the exactly in between, but between operator will include this both the in. Okay, now next is some of the aggregate function like max, mean, count, average. select asterisk from emp or select max emp cell from emp. Similarly for mean, for average, count,